New today, Kilmar Abrego Garcia leaving a Maryland courthouse a free man.
Yeah, judge ruling against the federal government preventing immigration enforcement from taking the Maryland father back into custody just over a week after he was released from a facility in Pennsylvania and following a previous judge's order.
And Abrego Garcia was released following months and months of legal back and forth sparked by the Trump administration mistakenly deporting him to El Salvador earlier this year.
DC News Now's Randy Bass joining us live in Greenbelt now with the latest details from the courtroom. Randy, what's the latest here?
Yes, another contentious hearing here today. The judge extending the order keeping Kilmar Abrego Garcia out of custody, giving the government another chance to explain its plans to deport him as Abrego Garcia remains under strict conditions of release. Kilmar Abrego Garcia attending his own hearing here in Greenbelt for the first time Monday, leaving a free man. Judge Polizinas in court extending the order that keeps him out of ICE custody, calling this an irregular and extraordinary situation. His legal team speaking after today's hearing.
We're very much not out of the woods yet. To me, at least, it's clear that the government is willing to do whatever it takes, sort of give any legal justification, any factual justification whatsoever, to put this man back into a detention center. And we all see that there's no reason for that.
Judge Zena said heading into this hearing, the government did not provide any specific information about its plans to continue deportation or removal proceedings for him. And without a plan, she says the government cannot continue to hold him, even after an immigration judge issued an order of removal following his release more than a week ago.
Later that night, an immigration judge, a brand new immigration judge, not the one from 2019, but their sort of hand-picked hatchet man immigration judge, entered a brand new removal order.
Judge Zena says there are still issues with that new order, saying the government has made multiple paperwork errors. Abrego Garcia's team says he's still willing to self-deport to Costa Rica, but he can't, given the strict conditions of release stemming from a criminal indictment in Tennessee, where he faces human smuggling charges. He's still subject to those release conditions, wearing not one, but two ankle monitor bracelets, one from ICE, the other from the U.S. Marshals.
Who's keeping Mr. Abrego Garcia in the United States right now is the federal government. Right? Mr. Abrego Garcia, if he was allowed to sort of choose his path, he would have been in Costa Rica months ago, right? And so it's actually the federal government that's keeping him here in the United States right now.
Now, the deadline for the federal government to tell the court what it plans to do with Abrego Garcia, if it plans to eventually deport him, that deadline is this Friday, December 26th. After that, Abrego Garcia's team has until December 30th to respond. In Greenbelt, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.